Hi, in this video I'm going to be showing you 10 crazy free AI tools that will blow your mind, and if you watch all the way through I'm going to show you one bonus. I'm Vince from Digital Nomad Institute, and let's get started. So the very first AI tool that I'm going to show you is called Namelix, and it is a brand name generator or a business name generator. What that means is you can, if you ever have a hard time coming up with different names for your niche, your channel, maybe your startup, then this is for you. All you have to do is type whatever you like your keywords to be. For me, I'm going to just type in digital marketing, or you can type in maybe, let me see, weight loss. Let's go with weight loss. All right, generate. And then you have to select the requirements that you want. Either short name, medium name, long name. I typically go for short since it's easier to pronounce. And then you can also pick the name style. Do you want real words, compound word, multiple words, non-English words, brandable names, misspellings, rhyming words, person's names? I'm going to go with brandable names. That's very popular. And then I'm just going to go ahead and click on generate. Wait for it to load. And since it's a web-based tool, you don't need to install anything. And within a couple of seconds, there you go. This is, remember, weight loss. So you have weight, MGMT, weight management, right? Weight fit, metabolo. All right, some of them sound pretty nice. And along with the different brand names, you have like a mock color scheme, a mock font, also a mock maybe a logo in some cases. All right, so you have, if you scroll down, you have quite a bit of choices here. Okay, so this is very, very good for coming up with a brand name if you just need like an idea for your niche, or your channel, or maybe your website. Okay, so they have so many choices here, and I like the fact that they have different color schemes. So this is great for those of you who are looking to pick a niche name or a brand name. And once you have that, the next AI tool will help you out. Next AI tool is called brandmark.io. And what it does is it helps you create your logo. So let me take a name from the first one. Let's go with Lost Bee. Okay, so I'm gonna go with Lost Bee. I'm gonna go to create my logo. I'm going to type in Lost Bee. All right. And if you have a slogan or a tag, you can go ahead and put it here. Brand keywords. So if you don't understand what that means, you can go ahead and see your example. Snack, cookie, Bitcoin abstract, flower, organic. So if you have keyword ideas for your logo, you can go ahead and enter it here. I'm going to go with weight loss. Weight loss. Let's go with trendy. All right, and see what comes up here. Then you're gonna pick your color style. I like yellow. All right, you can go maybe. They also have different things: simple, vibrant, organic, high contrast. I just like yellow. All right, then wait a few seconds. This is also a web-based tool, so there's no need to install anything. And oh, there you go. Now you have the brand name from the first AI tool along with the logo from this tool. And you can go ahead and take a look at each one. Let me see. All right, Lost Bee. All right, and as you can see, they're quite nice. All right, it's a lot quicker than having to hire a freelancer on Fiverr or Upwork, and then having to send your submissions, revisions, and back and forth until finally getting a kind of a junky logo anyway on Fiverr. Right? You do it this way, at least you generate things very quickly, and if you do choose to go to a freelancer, you have a very good idea of what you like, so it would save you a lot of time in development. All right, so let me show you the next one. So the first two tools show you basically how to generate a brand name. This one shows you how to generate a logo. Now that you have a brand name and a logo, you need to create content, and this next tool will be helpful for you. And that is called EssayBot. So EssayBot is essentially an AI writing assistant, right? And what you can do is you tell the writing assistant what you'd like to talk about. So let's say I'm talking about weight loss. All right, keep everything the same. Weight loss for men over 40. All right, let's go with something more specific. So now I want to generate content for my blog. All right, and then from here, I'm going to go ahead and click on write my own because the paragraph, yeah, it's kind of hit or miss. I like to have more control over what I want to write. And I go, got it. It gives you a tour. And then from here, you can go ahead and start it off. Let me say, got this. Get it out of here. All right, so weight loss. All right, so is it populating? Yep. Weight loss for men over 40, the best way to lose. And you have to forgive me, my internet connection's a bit slow today, so it takes a while for this to load, as this is a web-based tool. Okay, so if it doesn't populate right away, you just delete the last word and type it in again, and it will go ahead and populate. All right, let me delete this one. Okay, and you can keep on going. All right. Okay, so I'm going to stop right here. You get the idea of how to use this, and I'm going to read what it produced so far. Weight loss for men over 40. The best way to lose weight is to eat more food. This will help you to lose weight by losing it. If you are overweight, it is important that you eat a healthy diet and exercise regularly. Some of this is a bit off. You're going to have to fix it, but it is free, okay? And it will help you create maybe like third-tier content. There is a trick that you need to go through in order to be able to copy this, because if you go ahead and click this, and it won't let you copy the text. So I'm going to leave a link in the description so you can go ahead and check out that video. But by using the tips in the video I'm going to link to, you don't have any restrictions. But the downside is the quality is just it's okay. All right? If you want really good quality for an AI, I would recommend using another tool, and I'll leave a link for that in the description below as well. It's a paid tool, but it's much better than this. And if you're interested in using AI tools to grow and create your YouTube channel, then you can go ahead and check out the link in the description below. I just created a new YouTube course for small channels, and it uses all AI tools to automate as much as you can. All right, so you can go ahead and check that out. So let's move on to the next tool. And once you have, let's say you're done with EssayBot, you can also try out Copyai. It's also an AI writing tool that helps you to write written marketing material. All right, and let me go ahead and sign in real quick to that. Okay, so it's logging me in. All right, so once you go to the dashboard, it's going to ask you, what do you need to make? I'm specifically going to make let's go with a video. Click next. I'm a student, and I'm going to make it for an online article. All right, so then you can go ahead and start a new project. You can type in the name of your project. I'm going to type in test. All right, then it's going to ask, do you have a relevant website? I said no. Go ahead and create project. Okay, and then from here you can go ahead and just enter in everything as a template. It will ask you, what is your product called? I'm going to just call it AI small channel YouTube course. Okay, and describe your product. It's a course to teach you how to use AI tools to grow your small channel. All right, and then go ahead and create copy, and let's see what comes out. So as you can see on the left-hand side, this is used for creating many type of marketing material, such as product descriptions, ad copies, website copies, blog tools, emails, sales copies, and let's see. So this is what it has. Hi there, my name is Nick, and I'm growing creator who is creating small YouTube channels and growing them to six-figure earnings. I recently developed a small course using AI tools and the data that I've been able to collect, which shows the exact method that I've been using to grow my own channel. My course is for $5. It's called the Small Channel Starting Up. So how does it work, you ask? Well, basically you take your favorite YouTube video and you create a poster from that video. Then with that image info from the poster, you can easily get AI tools such as this. These are tools I currently use myself in a 3-week experiment of this method on my own channel. It yielded amazing results. You can see the results for yourself here. It's a bit wonky. I get what it's trying to get, but some of it needs correction. But all in all, it saves you a lot of work. Okay, and it's free. It's free to use. All right, so that is Copy AI, and then the next one is going to be very similar to EssayBot. It is called Hyperwrite. Okay, you can sign in. All right, and then from here you can go to new document, and I like to go with blank document. I go for work, and you just give a short description of what you want to write. I'm gonna say how to grow your channel using AI tools. All right, and then click on continue. Go to doc, and then I'll go to sentence. Nonfiction, and then from here you can grow your small YouTube channel using AI tools, and I'm gonna add it in here. Oops, channel using AI tools. Save it here. Sentence, and then it gives you it knows what the more you type, the more it will know what to write. Okay, so from here I did the first sentence. How can you grow your small YouTube channel using AI tools? Yeah, and then here we go. Here are a few ways you can use artificial intelligence to grow your channel. Automated videos. All right, you can find automated content creation tools that will create videos for you. Look into the following, and then you got all right, AI tools to grow your small channel, Video Zoo, Video Biz, Video Copilot, and so on and so forth. This one has a much cleaner interface than EssayBot. I personally like it better, but the output's about the same. All right, and that leads me to the next tool, which I love to use in conjunction with this one, because you want to check the grammar. So I'm going to go ahead and copy this. Okay, and oops, let me go Control C, and then go to my next AI tool. This is the AI grammar checker that I like to use, and I go to new video, Control V. You can set the settings right here. I'm just going to leave it on the preset, and it goes ahead and helps you to correct your. Oops, let me go back. Undo. To correct your grammar, and it gives you a score. Overall performance 92, and it gives you error, clarity, engagement, delivery, and the most important thing is plagiarism. Right? You want to make sure that whatever you use any kind of automated tool, whether especially for text, you want to make sure it's unique. So I'm going to go ahead and check on the plagiarism, and it says it's 100% unique. Okay, so this, in conjunction with the other AI content writing tools, will help you out. And lastly, if you also want to change this into not just an article or a blog post, but you want to convert it into a video, this next tool will be very helpful. Next tool is called narrate. And what narrate does is it takes your Google Slides or PowerPoint presentation, and it converts it into a video. I'm just going to show you the quick video right here. Okay, and as you can see, it's quite good, and it also has a text to speech that reads the text for you within your presentation notes. It is a bit kind of wonky to use. I don't know how to put it any other nicer way, but it's free, and for the free account you get quite a lot. You can. I pretty much just use the free account, and it works for all the purposes I need. So that's one way where you can take your articles and turn it into a video of sorts. Is basically just take out the text that you get from the AI writer and put it through Grammarly, make sure it's grammatically correct, and then put it into a PowerPoint presentation and have this software read it for you and convert it into a video. So that's what I really like about this AI software. The next software is, if you decide to go ahead and read the narration, you can go ahead and read out the notes, which is probably better. And what you can then do is also record what you read. Right? If it's just notes that you just created without any of the AI, and once you created a video presentation and you recorded your notes, this one right here will transcribe whatever you wrote. And this is the opposite effect. This allows you to get, let's say you just created the video and you want to kind of get extra mileage out of it, then this one will, if you record your video while you have Otter AI on, then you can then take the transcription and make it into a post. So it's pretty neat. Let me show you real quick how it works. You just basically click record, allow, and you just start talking like normal. And I'm going to stop right here just to show you exactly how well it records. Okay, and then give it a few seconds to process, but you can see it records really, really well, and it's also a web-based tool, so no need to install anything. Let me just show you real quick. All right, and you start talking like normal, and I gotta stop right here just to show you exactly how well we record. And it plays back exactly where the word is. So you can click here, and it will just play it back again. So that's the one thing I really like. This helps me save a lot of time. The next tool is for designers, right? So if you're into designing and you want to, you have an old photo that you want to upload, like whether it's your grandparents, whether it's of someone, a relative, and maybe this is for a gag, or maybe you can offer this as a service. You simply upload your photo and select which way you want to animate the photo, and it animates the old photo for you. It's a bit weird. It's a bit weird, but I think it's a unique service, and especially for AI. All right, and let me go with the next one. It's called Hotpot AI. And this tool right here has a lot of different features, but I'm just going to go over a few of them real quick. You're going to have to try out the rest yourself. One of it, you can turn text to art. Another one, you can remove the background. This is kind of good for maybe selling products online. You want the white background. The other one is to colorize black and white photos. And the last one is to restore old pictures. They have new ones coming out all the time. They have restorative art, and they have the enhanced graphics, and then maybe even translation. But I haven't gotten into these, right? But there's a lot of different image AI tools that you can use, and it's for free, right? So it's hotpot.ai. You can go ahead and check that out. The next one is basically it's a one trick pony. This tool is called Deep Image, and all it does is it enlarges your image. Okay, so the free version I believe is only up for 3 times. Okay, if you want 4 times enlargement, then you would need to go ahead for the paid version, right? And oops, that is it for all the AI tools. If you found this video helpful, could you please hit the like button? And if you're interested in learning how to grow your channel using AI and automating as much as you can, then go ahead and check out my YouTube course down below in the description below. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.